Hello, dear viewers. Today I will share with you the life of Albert Einstein, one of the most important scientists of the 20th century, and how he changed the world. Einstein is not only remembered for his scientific discoveries, but also for his contributions to humanity. Let's take a closer look at how Einstein changed the world. Theory of general and special relativity. Albert Einstein redefined the fundamental principles of time and space with his special theory of relativity, published in 1905. He then developed the theory of general relativity in 1915, explaining how gravity bends space-time. These theories revolutionized our understanding of time and space and became the cornerstones of modern physics. Quantum mechanics and photon theory. Einstein contributed to the theory that light consists of particles, known as photons. He also made significant contributions to the development of quantum mechanics. His work laid the foundation for quantum physics, one of the most complex areas of modern physics. ESMC2. Formula: Einstein's most famous equation, EAMC2, expresses the relationship between energy and mass. This equation is considered one of the fundamental principles of nuclear energy and has played a crucial role in the development of technologies like the atomic bomb, escape from Nazi Germany, and work in America. Einstein fled Nazi Germany and settled in the United States after Hitler came to power. There, he continued his work at Princeton University and contributed to America's nuclear program. Advocacy for peace and justice. Einstein actively advocated for peace and justice after World War II. He opposed the spread of nuclear weapons and took significant steps in the field of human rights. Education and teaching. Einstein made significant contributions not only to the scientific world, but also to the fields of education and teaching. He especially focused on inspiring young people to love science and encouraged them through various conferences and events. Albert Einstein is remembered not only for his scientific discoveries, but also for his deep love for humanity and his belief in peace. His thoughts and discoveries continue to profoundly impact the world of science today. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like to learn more about Albert Einstein, please write to us in the comments. Until the next video, take care.